Because not to mention, as we're working together as a team, I should be building you up. You should be building me up. I shouldn't, when the relationship, if the relationship was to end, right, I shouldn't be in the same spot that we started in.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Like, because a person that you with that actually on your team, they're going to inspire you to do more. Sure. They're going to want you to be better. So even if I come whole, when I leave, I should be twice as whole.
You shouldn't be using a relationship or a person to fill a void.
Yes.
You should be a complete person self-wise, and also you should make yourself happy. They should either, they really should add to it. I'm not even going to say take away, but they should add to it. So it's more, you don't need them, but it's nice having them.